Hello and welcome to our CoolLED tutorial. In this video we will show you how to fit the 8-channel pE-800 to a Leica DMi8 microscope. Once you unpack the components, insert the power connector from the DC power supply. At this stage, however, do not yet connect it to the mains. Light is delivered to the microscope via a 3mm liquid light guide. If you already have your own or you have ordered a new one with your pE-800, then insert the end of the liquid light guide into the light source and secure using the hex key provided. The light source is now ready to be connected to the microscope. Firstly, via the external fluorescence axis, and the liquid light guide is simply placed in and secured with the grub screw. You can also attach the pE-800 to the DMi8 using the 32E or 33E adapters from CoolLED. This fits directly into the back of the microscope and is tightened using the grub screw. You then fit the PE universal collimator onto the adapter. And there are 3 grub screws to secure the collimator. The PE universal collimator can be optimised for the microscope configuration. To find out more about this, there is a user manual on our website. The liquid light guide is then ready to be inserted into the collimator and tightened using the hex key. Thank you for watching this CoolLED tutorial video. If you have any questions, please get in touch.